Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a nutcracker. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, nutcrackers are really cool, and we see them out around Christmas time a lot. Now, nutcrackers, one of the cool things about them is they were actually used as protection in a household. So that's why they kind of look like a soldier. Nutcrackers are used as something to kind of keep away evil from a house. So that's why you can always kind of see them in a nice little soldier uniform, and sometimes they might have a sword or something like that. Now, when drawing our nutcracker, you can just draw it normally like this with your paper going up and down. I like to actually break my paper up into 3 sections. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to fold it twice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just fold it over like this, and then I'm going to fold this flap over. And I want them to be kind of even. So when you hold it up, you can see that this side and this side are about the same length. So then what I'm going to do is just gently press it down, and I'm going to fold the edges. Now when I open it up, this gives my paper 3 little sections on here, 3 little folds, and that helps me kind of break it down and kind of separate my nutcracker a little bit. You don't have to do that, but this is definitely a nice easy way to kind of help you create your nutcracker shape. Now, to start off with my nutcracker, I'm going to begin up here above this first little line. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to make a little kind of rounded face right here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and it's going to come down like this. Then I'm going to connect the line straight across. Now you can see I didn't make this too tall because I want to leave room for my hat and everything up here. Now, let's move on to the hat. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around. It's going to go up, it's going to curve around, and then come back down here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw 2 lines that go up, and then I'm just going to connect them for the top of my hat. Next, I want to add the face onto my nutcracker. So I'm actually going to start with the mouth. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a little rectangle shape. It's going to go up, over, and down. Then I'm going to draw a little line across. And I'm just going to put a couple little lines going down for the teeth. Next, starting right above here, I'm going to just make a little rectangle shape for the nose. And then on each side of this nose, I'm going to draw a straight line for the bottom of the eye. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves up and down, and another one right here. Then I'm going to add a little circle shape inside each one. And then I'll add another little smaller circle and then just color in the pupil here. Then you can add things like eyebrows up here. You can make your eyebrows however you want to, whatever shape. And then you can even add things like a mustache. So I can add a little curved mustache shape right around here. I'll just color this one in. And I'll do the same thing here, just go up and then curve it around. And then I like to add 2 little circles onto the side for cheeks. Then I like to draw some hair. You can make your hair kind of pointy, you can make it bumpy, wavy, whatever you want to. I'm going to make mine kind of pointy, and I'm just going to go right down here to the fold and come back. So I'm going to just make a couple little points like this and come back. Next, starting right here towards the edge of my face, I'm going to draw a line that comes down here. And then I'm going to make another one that comes down. And then I'm just going to draw a little line across. Next, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then over, and another one here that's just going to go down and it will come over just like this. Now right here I'm going to just make two diagonal lines, and it's going to kind of look like a skirt, but this is just part of their jacket that they wear. It's going to go underneath the belt, which we will draw in a little bit. Then at this fold, just draw a nice straight line across. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, not all the way to the bottom, and another one over here that's going to do the same thing. And I'll put one more right in between here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and down, and one right here that's going to go up and down, with a nice line that goes across, and then just bring this line down, so you have some feet for your Nutcracker. Next, I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to draw a little curved line at the end of each one of these arms for the hands. Now this is our basic drawing of a Nutcracker. Now it's time to come in here and add some of the details, and there's lots of different things you can do. I'm going to start right here, and I want to add a beard on my Nutcracker. So I'm just going to make some pointy lines that go down and then come back up for the beard of my Nutcracker. Right across here, I'm going to draw a line for the belt with a couple other little lines on here for the buckle. And you can always add a little small rectangle in here too if you'd like. I'm going to draw two more lines that come down. And you can add lots of different details onto your jacket. I'm just going to keep it simple with a couple little circles here. You can add extra lines on the top for shoulder pads. You can add extra lines here for sleeves. You can add little details along each one as well. I might even add an extra little line here for the collar of the shirt. You can always add extra lines out here too. I'm going to make a line that curves down on each end here for part of the boots. Draw a line across here. And then I'm going to add some extra little lines right around here for some details on the boots. You can add extra lines wherever you'd like to, just for more detail. On top of the hat, lots of times Nutcrackers have crowns, so you can add details like crowns. Put a little bump at the top. Might even add some more little oval shapes around here, maybe some on the edge. There's lots of different things you can do. And you don't just have to do these details. You can add your own details. You can make it look however you want to. It always looks cool when everything looks different and not just all the same. But there you go. There is your drawing of your Nutcracker. Now our next step is to start coloring this, and there's lots of different color options that you can do on this. Nutcrackers don't have any set, color patterns, so you guys can color this however you want to, be as creative as you want to. You can use crayons, markers, colored pencils. You can even paint this if you would like. So I'm going to go ahead and start fast forwarding and coloring my picture, and if you want to, you can add a background as well. And here is my Nutcracker. You can see there's lots of different ways to color it. I went with some Christmas colors for the outfit. And then I just did a very simple marker and crayon pattern back here just to kind of make it nice and light and let the front of the Nutcracker really pop out and let the background just kind of, be very light. But there you go. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed this.